Hey guys, how are we doing today? I am here this afternoon on this hot, sweaty, just absolutely sweltering day, and we are going to discover what is in our Allure beauty box. It just got here today. Guys, does anybody else have a problem with the shipping on these? I legit got a shipping confirmation on this almost 2 weeks ago. Like, today is the 18th. When I'm filming this, of course, and it sat there since like the 4th or something. It was the 3rd or the 5th that I got that your package has been shipped, and it sat there forever and ever and ever, and then just started moving yesterday. So I got it today. Sorry, I'm trying to move some things on my desk so we can have some room. Anyways, it's here. Let's go through it. This month they collabed with Huda Beauty, which is awesome. So we have this fun little saying in the box that we don't normally get. We have the beautiful Miss Huda on the front of the pamphlet. Super fun. And if you're wondering, if you don't know, I don't know, maybe you live under a rock or something, Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month. It's a monthly beauty subscription. It's like a mystery bag every month, and we get a whole bunch of products, sometimes full size, sometimes deluxe samples, but it's here. This month we have this orangey neon pinky bag. Super fun. This is what it looks like. And outside of the bag, we're just going to jump right in here. We have this Huda Beauty liquid lip. This is an Allure Beauty Box exclusive. Hey. And of course it does not tell you how much this one is. Because it's an exclusive, I think they're not selling it anywhere else. So this is an orangey red. It's called Alluring. I love her packaging. It's just, I don't know, it just feels sophisticated even though it's fairly simple. Typical smell. And this is a Coming At Ya red. Comes off a little bit orange on there, but it is bright. This is an orange based red, so it's not one that is going to make your lips or your lips look white, your teeth look white. It will make your lips look this color. So that's pretty awesome. It feels smooth, it's opaque. We're doing good. Let's get into, oh look, bottom of the box we have another beautiful shot of Miss Huda with the same color going around her, so that's pretty cool. Let's toss that. Alright, let's see what is inside this bag. I do like these bags when I give away things to friends and stuff. I typically give it away in the bag, so that is always real good. Alright, the first thing I'm pulling out here is a Tony Moly product. It has a snail on it. That seems fun. Let's see here. So this is the Gold 24K Snail Hydro Gel Mask from Tony Moly. This is a sheet mask, and this retails for $10. I'm sorry, I'm looking down. I had to read. So that's pretty exciting. Love me some masks. The next thing we pull out is a pair of Huda lashes in the style Samantha number 7. These retail for $20. So we'll show you this. Excuse the glare. And there they are in all of their glory. I love lashes, and I don't think I own any of hers, so that's pretty exciting. I love getting lashes in boxes because I hate buying them. They're so expensive. It's ridiculous. So thanks. Those retail for $20. The next thing we have is a Kayali Vanilla perfume sample. The full size of this retails for $65 to $118. I'm trying to take it out of here, but I have problems with these. And yes, ma'am, that is vanilla. I typically wear scents like that more in the winter, but always fun to get some little like smellies because I am addicted. Gonna ask my family, my friends, my boyfriend, like kind of addicted to smellies. So keeping it going. Oh, I didn't get all my products. Okay. It looks like I'm missing some products here. 2, 3. Maybe I'm not, but I thought everything in this book was supposed to be, okay, no, I'm not. I'm wrong. They give it, there's an option on one of these things, so I'm okay. The next thing we have is this Way Texturizing Spray. I love this stuff, and I love that it is in a 1.4 ounce, so I can take this traveling with me. This retails for $26, the full size, and I know this stuff smells so good. This stuff works amazing. It's a great brand. Love it. And the last thing in our bag is a Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0, which is the black. The blackest black, and I have another one here on my desk right now because it is my go-to. Look at this. This is sample size. This is the full size that this is the full size that I've had. So yeah, I think I use it quite a bit. Kind of funny. I used it all up. And now I have a sample size that I can throw in my travel bag. That retails, I think, for like 20 bucks. Let me see. That retails for $22, so that's not bad. We got some pretty good stuff. I mean, does this really count as one of our products? I guess it does, but you know, we got some good stuff here. Like, you know, pretty good for $15 a month. Not bad. What did you get in your bag? I don't think that there's a lot of variation. I think this is the only variant item this month. You could have got a Too Faced primer or a Cabral. I kind of wanted to try the Cabral. I love this. This is a staple. I will always have these, and I'm always grateful to have one and not have to buy it. But I would like to have tried the Cabral. I don't have that. I have this pencil, the Benefit pencil, the Goof Proof brow pencil, and I love it. That's the Browsings. Those are my 2 staple eyebrow products. So I would have liked to try the third in that whole Benefit collection, but I can always go buy it, y'all. Whatever. Anyways, thanks for checking out my video. Let me know what you think down below. And have you ever tried this snail mask? I'm interested. This has got some weight to it, y'all. Have y'all ever put snail goo, snail mucus on your faces? Let me know down below, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.